Hello my lovely people, today I have an exciting product to unbox and review. The product is Motorsports themed ankle-length stylish white Nitro Plus sneakers from the brand स-FILA. Please like, share and subscribe the channel for more such style inspirations. Now let's get started with the unboxing. The shoes box is a plain cardboard box, and the box is very simple, not at all fancy, which is a bit damaged during transportation. The MRP mentioned on the box is Rs 3399, but I purchased size 10 for just Rs 1499. The link of the product is given in the description. The shoes are wrapped around a paper inside the box, which is good. Now here are the shoes, which looks outstanding at first look. The shoes are not very heavy, but are quite light in weight. The upper material of the shoes is polyurethane or PU and not leather. The material is quite shiny, which looks attractive. There is a brand logo at the sides of the shoes on the plain white shoe. This minimal design gives this shoes a unique touch. This is the lace pattern of the shoes. The laces holes are made up of fabric, and this is properly stitched to the shoes. The quality is excellent. The inner side of the shoes is completely plain, which gives an elegant feel to the shoes. The overall design is simple, attractive, and eye-catching, which really made me to purchase this pair of shoes. The stitching of the shoes is excellent. And to be frank, there is very minimal stitching or design. The bottom sole is made up of TPU material, and the soles is glued properly to the upper part of the shoes. The overall thickness or height of the shoes is minimal. The sole design from the sides is attractive, matches with the upper design of the shoes. The bottom sole has good pattern, which provides good grip even on the smooth surfaces like tiles. The shoe's tongue is of decent size, and the tongue padding too is minimal and sufficient. Some basic shoe details are mentioned at the back of shoe tongue. The shoes are stuffed with paper to maintain the shape while in transportation. The shoes are flexible, which makes these a good and convenient pair of shoes for casual occasion. But with repeated wearing, there is possibility of fold marks or even tearing at the vamp or upper portion of the shoes. The collar padding is of good quality, and the collar material from inside is a simple white fabric. The insole is sufficiently soft for these kind of shoes. The other shoe too is good and sufficiently padded to avoid damage. The shoe material quality is shiny with a leathery finishing. Here is the shoe tag with some basic shoe details. For someone looking to purchase ankle-length shoes, these shoes can be a great choice from a reputed company like स-FILA. I will definitely recommend these pair of shoes as the quality is really outstanding. These white sneakers are head turners, and people will definitely appreciate you for wearing these shoes. There are the best casual wear shoes under Rs 1500 from स-FILA brand. Overall, fully satisfied with these pair of shoes. Finally, thank you guys for watching the review video, and please like, share, and subscribe the channel for more such unique and honest review and style inspirations.